As the sun rises, our gentle giant begins its day. An African elephant needs a big breakfast to fuel its massive frame, eating nearly 150 kilograms of food per day. Breakfast begins with grass, lots of it. An elephant can eat up to 70 kilograms of grass each day, using its trunk like a giant vacuum. Next, a crunchy snack, 20 kilograms of tree bark, packed with fiber and nutrients. Bark is a favorite. With such a heavy diet, hydration is key. Elephants drink up to 100 liters of water a day. Baobab fruits? Absolutely. Elephants consume up to 25 kilograms of fruit during the season, rich in vitamin C. A short break. Elephants rest for about 4 hours a day, saving energy to process their massive meals. Later, time to dig. Using their strong tusks, elephants can uproot plants to access nutritious roots, about 15 kilograms worth. As the sun lowers, they continue browsing, 30 kilograms of leaves and twigs, rich in moisture and fiber. With so much eaten, a lot must come out too. Up to 100 kilograms of dung per day, fertilizing the savannah. Even at night, elephants continue eating. In total, they spend 16 hours a day feeding. Non-stop munching machines.